Here's the second snow video of the day after the blizzard. I'm coming into the bedroom and here's Peanut taking a little rest on the bed. Here's Milo following me to the window here. This is the upstairs deck covered with snow. And as you can see, there's really no movement out here. And looks like they may have come through sometime with a piece of equipment to clear the snow, but it's sort of looking like it may be all ice where they did come through. I'm gonna open the door here and let's see if Milo wants to go out in the snow. No, they're just going to look at the snow. Here comes Frank. They're thinking about going out, but doesn't look like they're going to go for it. Again, here's the day after the blizzard. It's beautiful, but it's kind of cold. It's not too windy, but it certainly did snow. I guess it was about 18 inches we got. Here are the boys at the door, and Frank is thinking about going out in the snow. Peanut's coming over now. Nope, nobody else. Oh, there goes Frank. He's gonna go out and walk in the snow. So looks like my battery is running low here, so I will end this video with the cats watching the snow or watching the snowfall that took place. And here's little Frankie. He's walking around out there, and I will say goodbye again from Snow Central here in Bethany Beach.